Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule your Facebook business post in advance. I was asked this question 2 days ago when I evacuated from the hurricane, and a person said, hey, can you do a video about scheduling Facebook posts? Now, I've done a video about this before, but I want to go ahead and do another video mainly because I was asked and I want to give you the content of scheduling Facebook posts. Now, if this is your first time here at this channel, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button right below this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way get videos just like this. Like, comment, and subscribe because I love doing videos and I want to see you entertained and seeing these videos when I go ahead and deliver them just like this. Like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget. Now, today's content, we're going to go ahead and schedule Facebook posts. Now, it's very, scheduling things in advance is kind of what we are right now. It's all about automation. And if you're running your own business, or if you basically just want to deliver content out, scheduling things in advance is so much, on your mind these days. It's kind of, I won't say it's easy, but once you do it 1 or 2 times, it does get better. So like my mentor always said, it's not necessarily hard, it's just new. I really like that the information that he gave me. It says it's not really hard, it's just new. So let's go ahead and go to the content. Now, one of the first things you need to have, you do need to have a Facebook business page built up. It's very easy to do. I'll do other videos about setting up a Facebook business page, but we're gonna go ahead and schedule some content out. I'm gonna do one post to go ahead and show you. Now, right now I'm here at my Facebook business post. Let me go ahead. And I'm right here right now, and I've got 4 scheduled posts already out in advance. But we're gonna go ahead and schedule one post to show you how powerful this really is. So when you wanna go ahead, you wanna go to post. You can click on post up there. And what I like to do, I like to go to publishing tools at the top. So go to publishing tools at the top. It takes a few minutes to go ahead and load up and everything. And see, here's all the stuff. You want to go to schedule post here. So here's all the future posts that I've got scheduled out on each and every single day. You got the 8th, the 9th, the 10th, and the 11th. So I've got 4 days of content already being scheduled out. So remember, I went to publishing tools and I went to schedule posts. Now the next thing you want to do is click on this create. If I want to schedule a post, click on the create there. And then right when they up here is a box that shows up. Now this is where you go ahead and deliver the content that you want to go ahead and deliver. So you want to go ahead and let's say you want to type in a message. I'm going to type in a message that I want to schedule out in advance. I'm going to say, you are a rock star. I want to let people know that you are a rock star. And let's go ahead and change the background here. Let's go to this guy back here. Let's see here. Something that kind of pops. So let's go ahead and use this background. You are a rock star. Let's say this wants some content out. Now, if I want photos or videos, I can click here. If I want to basically instant message this message, I can do here. Or if I want an emoji, I can click on here and it'll give me any type of emoji. So if I wanted like an emoji, anything like that, or I can click it right here as well, and it'll give me some options of emojis. So let's say fire and your thumbs up. Let's just go with that right now. And that's where I'm gonna have. And right here, some of this other stuff that you can really do. You can do a poll. I did a poll before. You can do a watch party, but we're gonna keep it simple today. Keep it simple. We're just gonna have a short message and we're gonna schedule this out. Now let's go ahead and click on the down arrow button, and this is how you would schedule. You would click here and schedule. Now you actually can backdate stuff. So let's say you wanna schedule something yesterday, you really can do that to keep your stuff consistently, even if you didn't publish anything yesterday. But we're all about the future. We're all about the next day, the future. That's what we're all about. Now I can schedule it now, but we don't wanna schedule it right now. We wanna schedule in the future. So let's go ahead and schedule this today. Let's go ahead and schedule it. Let's schedule this on the 12th. September 12th, why not? Next week. And let's change the time. Let's go ahead and do 5 o'clock. Let's do this at 8 o'clock, right early in the morning. So it'll be the first message, one of the first message you will receive. You are a rock star with the emojis right there. I love it. I love it. So you go ahead and do that. You click on schedule, and you want to click on schedule again, but you also can preview it right here. If you want to change a message, want to see how it really looks like, you can preview it here. But we're going to go ahead and schedule the post. It does ask you to do this again. I'm not sure why they do this. Maybe they let you know, do you really want to go ahead and schedule this information? But I do. So you want to click on September 12th. And remember, we had 8 o'clock here. I'm going to go here. Pretty simple to do. 8 o'clock in the morning, because I want this to be like one of the first messages you will receive. Because you are a rock star. Why not? You are a rock star. I don't care what everybody think. You are a rock star. So this is what we got now. So you are a rock star, and it's going to be scheduled out September 12, 2019, 8 o'clock in the morning. So that's going to be the content schedule out. Really simple, a nice little message that goes out in the morning. So when I wake up, when you wake up, you are a rock star scheduling out Facebook posts from your business page. Now that's all I got here today, mainly because I wanted to do this video, mainly because I was asked to do it, and I'm always thinking about things that people ask of me that I want to give you the message. Now today, if you're all about Facebook, all about building a business, I do have an unbelievable opportunity right below this video. Click on the link below and we'll do scheduled Facebook posts, but also you can start building your own online business. How does that sound? Building your online business, work from home, right from here. You can work from home, be part of my team, and you'll be giving excellent training every step of the way. Every step of the way. You'll be training every step of the way on an unbelievable offer that we have right now. And it does 95% of the work, the system, the whole system. You do the 5% and you will learn how to do the 5%. Click on the link below and go ahead and get started. Build your own online business, and you can do stuff like this, scheduling your content out to all your subscribers and all to your people that follows you. Click on the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.